Have you ever stared at a bank statement, baffled by hidden fees and cryptic terms? Do you crave a banking experience that feels transparent, innovative, and even fun? If you're nodding your head, then you might be interested in what Fidor Bank was all about. Fidor Bank, a disruptor in the digital age. Fidor Bank, founded in 2009, wasn't your typical financial institution. It emerged as a pioneer in the world of fintech, short for financial technology. Imagine a bank built from the ground up for the digital age, one that throws away the dusty rulebooks and embraces the possibilities of the internet. That was Fidor's vision. Banking with friends, the Fidor philosophy. Fidor believed banking should be a collaborative experience, not a one-sided transaction. They envisioned a banking with friends atmosphere, where customers actively participated in shaping the bank's future. This meant features like community forums where users could discuss financial products, vote on new ideas, and even influence interest rates. Think social media, but for your money. Imagine a Facebook feed dedicated to your finances. Fidor incorporated social media elements into their platform. Users could connect with friends, share budgeting tips, and even participate in crowdfunding projects directly within the banking app. Transparency and innovation, the cornerstones of Fidor. Fidor was built on the idea of open banking. They used something called APIs, application programming interfaces, to connect their platform with third-party financial apps. This allowed for a wider range of financial services to be offered, all seamlessly integrated within the Fidor ecosystem. Beyond traditional banking, Fidor wasn't just about managing your everyday finances. They aimed to be a one-stop shop for your digital life. Their accounts offered features like global money transfers, investments in precious metals, and even the ability to connect your account to popular online payment platforms. The end of an era, Fidor Bank in 2023. Unfortunately, Fidor Bank ceased operations in July 2023. While the reasons are complex, a changing financial landscape and navigating regulations in a global market might have played a role. Fidor's legacy, a glimpse into the future of banking. Despite its closure, Fidor's legacy lives on. They were a trailblazer, showcasing the potential of fintech and how banking can be more engaging and community-driven. While the Fidor chapter may be closed, their innovative spirit undoubtedly inspired other fintech companies and challenged traditional banks to rethink their approach. What does this mean for you? The fintech space is constantly evolving, and Fidor's story serves as a reminder that there are alternatives to traditional banking. There are banks and fintech companies out there striving for a more transparent and user-friendly experience. So, do your research and explore options that align with your financial needs and values. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.